Have you ever wondered if there's actually a lazy way to make $500 a day using artificial intelligence without any previous experience or startup capital? Well, I've spent the last 6 months testing every AI money-making method I could find, and I discovered something that completely shocked me. There's one approach that's so simple, so hands-off, that you can literally set it up once and watch the money roll in while you sleep. But here's the catch: 99% of people are doing it completely wrong, which is why they're making maybe $20 a month instead of $500 a day. I'm about to show you the exact step-by-step system that transformed my bank account from nearly empty to consistently generating more than $15,000 monthly. And the best part is you don't need any technical skills, marketing experience, or even a website to get started. But before we dive in, you need to understand why most AI side hustles fail miserably and how this method is fundamentally different. The reason most people struggle with AI monetization isn't because they lack intelligence or resources. It's because they're chasing the wrong opportunities. They're trying to compete in oversaturated markets like content creation, social media management, or generic AI consulting where everyone and their grandmother is offering the same services. The secret I discovered is finding the intersection between high demand, low competition, and maximum automation potential. Let me introduce you to the concept of AI-powered digital asset creation. This isn't about creating another chatbot or writing blog posts for pennies. This is about leveraging artificial intelligence to create valuable digital products that solve real problems for specific audiences, then setting up automated systems to sell these products continuously without your constant involvement. The foundation of this entire system rests on 3 pillars. First, problem identification using AI market research tools. Second, rapid product creation through advanced AI platforms. Third, automated distribution and sales through strategic channel placement. When these 3 elements work together, they create what I call a passive income machine that generates consistent revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Let's start with step 1, which is identifying profitable problems to solve. Most people skip this crucial step and jump straight into creating random products, which is why they fail. Instead, we're going to use AI tools to conduct sophisticated market research that reveals exactly what people are desperately willing to pay for right now. Open up ChatGPT or Claude and use this specific prompt framework. Tell it to analyze current market trends in 3 high-value niches: business productivity, personal development, and digital marketing. Ask it to identify specific pain points that people in these niches are experiencing and rank them by urgency and willingness to pay. This isn't generic research. You're looking for problems that cause people genuine frustration and that they're actively seeking solutions for. Once you have your list of problems, run each one through a validation process. Search social media platforms, forums, and online communities to see how frequently people complain about these issues. Look for phrases like, "I wish there was a tool that," or "Does anyone know how to," or "I'm struggling with." The more desperation you find, the better your opportunity. Now here's where it gets interesting. Take your validated problem and use AI to create a comprehensive solution framework. Don't just think about quick fixes. Develop a complete system that addresses the root cause and provides step-by-step guidance. This is what separates successful digital products from worthless downloads that nobody wants. Step 2 involves rapid product creation using advanced AI platforms. This is where the magic happens and where most people get overwhelmed, but I'm going to break it down into simple, manageable tasks that anyone can complete in a few hours. Start by creating a detailed product outline using your chosen AI platform. Map out every section, every key point, and every actionable step your solution will include. The more detailed your outline, the better your final product will be. Think of this as your blueprint. You wouldn't build a house without one, and you shouldn't create a digital product without a comprehensive plan. Next, use AI to generate the core content for your product. This could be an in-depth guide, a video course outline, a software specification, or a template collection. The key is to focus on providing genuine value rather than just filling pages with fluff. Your content should be actionable, specific, and immediately implementable by your target audience. But here's the crucial part that most people miss: you need to add your own expertise and insights to the AI-generated content. Raw AI output isn't enough to command premium prices. You need to enhance it with real-world examples, case studies, personal anecdotes, and practical tips that come from actual experience or additional research. Create multiple formats of your core content to maximize its value and appeal. Transform your main guide into a video course, a podcast series, a checklist collection, and an email sequence. This isn't just busy work. Different people prefer consuming information in different ways, and offering multiple formats significantly increases your product's perceived value. Step 3 focuses on packaging and positioning your digital asset for maximum profitability. This is where psychology meets strategy, and getting it right can mean the difference between selling a few copies and building a sustainable income stream. Develop a compelling product name that immediately communicates the benefit and creates curiosity. Avoid generic titles like marketing guide, and instead use specific, benefit-driven names like the 30-day client acquisition system or 0 to profitable in 60 days blueprint. Your title should make people think, I need this right now. Create professional-looking product materials using AI design tools. This includes cover graphics, sales page layouts, bonus materials, and promotional images. Visual presentation significantly impacts perceived value, and investing time in making your product look professional will pay dividends in sales conversions. Develop a strategic pricing model that maximizes both conversions and revenue. Start by researching what similar products sell for in your niche, then position your offering as either a premium solution with more comprehensive value or an accessible alternative with focused benefits. Test different price points to find your sweet spot. Step 4 involves setting up automated distribution channels that sell your product continuously without requiring your constant attention. This is where the lazy aspect really shines, because once these systems are running, they work for you around the clock. Create accounts on multiple digital marketplace platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Creative Market, and specialized niche platforms relevant to your product category. Each platform has its own audience and discovery mechanisms, so diversifying your presence increases your potential reach exponentially. Optimize your product listings for search discovery within each platform. Research the keywords your target audience uses when searching for solutions to their problems, then incorporate these terms naturally into your product titles, descriptions, and tags. This organic discovery is crucial for generating sales without paid advertising. Set up automated email sequences that nurture potential customers and convert browsers into buyers. Create a lead magnet related to your main product, then develop a series of valuable emails that build trust, demonstrate expertise, and gradually introduce your paid solution. This sequence should run automatically whenever someone joins your email list. Step 5 focuses on scaling and optimization to reach that $500 daily target. This is where systematic thinking and continuous improvement compound your results over time. Create a product line rather than relying on a single offering. Develop complementary products that serve the same audience at different price points and complexity levels. This might include basic guides, comprehensive courses, done-for-you templates, and premium consulting offers. A diversified product portfolio is more stable and profitable than depending on one product. Implement affiliate and partnership programs to expand your reach without additional marketing effort. Identify influencers, bloggers, and other content creators in your niche who might be interested in promoting your products in exchange for commissions. This creates a sales force that works on your behalf. Continuously analyze your sales data to identify optimization opportunities. Track which products sell best, which marketing channels generate the most revenue, which price points convert highest, and which audience segments are most valuable. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus your efforts on the most profitable activities. The key to making this system truly lazy is automation and systematization. Set up processes that minimize your ongoing involvement while maximizing results. This includes automated customer service responses, scheduled social media posts, recurring email campaigns, and systematic product updates. Most importantly, remember that building a sustainable $500 daily income takes time and consistency. Don't expect overnight success, but do expect steady progress if you follow this system diligently. Start with one product, perfect your process, then replicate and scale. The artificial intelligence revolution has created unprecedented opportunities for ordinary people to build extraordinary income streams. This system I've shared represents the most accessible, scalable, and sustainable approach I've discovered for monetizing AI capabilities without requiring advanced technical skills or significant upfront investment. Your journey to financial freedom through AI starts with taking action on these steps today. Choose your niche, identify your first profitable problem, and begin creating your first digital asset. The tools are available, the market is ready, and the only thing standing between you and that $500 daily goal is your willingness to start.